TOA-60, Air Fryer and Toaster Oven, by Cuisinart. Review. Are you looking for a premium full-size countertop toaster oven that also lets you air fry right inside the oven? Large Toaster Oven by Cuisinart is ideal if you want a dual-function air fryer toaster oven as a healthier way to prepare your favorite dishes. Why choose TOA-60 Toaster Oven with Air Fryer by Cuisinart? Why the TOA-60 oven? And how this air fryer toaster oven stands apart from others. The TOA-60 Premium full-size toaster oven comes with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes, broils, and toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside your oven. Air frying, which uses powerful, ultra-hot air, is a healthier way to prepare delicious fried favorites, from wings to fritters, to fries and shrimp. Cuisinart TOA-60 is a great kitchen workhorse. This is a simpler model of all the air fryer toaster oven spectrum of Cuisinart, although it is full-size. Out of all the other Cuisinart similar models, this has the biggest inside volume, ideal for roasting chickens or baking cakes, which works for big families and everyday use. With Cuisinart TOA-60, you can not only enjoy the crunch without the calories and messy cleanup, but it's a quick and easy way to make fine food and healthy dishes, all in compact toaster oven and air fryer combo. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Versatile and great design. TOA-60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the perfect appliance if you want a great toaster and convection oven that you can occasionally use for air frying. It's perfect for people that like to be more hands-on with their cooking experience, and for people that are looking for a large oven at a small price. Easy to use and good performance. This air fryer toaster oven is fast, efficient, and heats up pretty evenly. It's also easy to use. You'll either be using 3 dials to bake and air fry, or the one for toasting. No complex navigation or weird digital screens. It's also a great alternative to your microwave. Size and capacity. You can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. You can use the same accessories as in other toaster ovens, A+ when purchasing them, or using the ones you have. Includes oven rack, baking pan, air fryer rack basket. Convection toaster, plus air fryer. Why should you buy Cuisinart TOA-60? The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a great toaster oven that can liquid-free fry well. With 1,800 watts and 7 functions, you can air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, and toast. Warranty. You have a 3-year, limited manufacturer's warranty. Cuisinart has always provided quality appliances. That's why, although it's not surprising to see the 3-year warranty, it's definitely reassuring. Based on over 11,650 customer reviews, and overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Air Fryer Toaster Oven by Cuisinart is a must for you if you want to enjoy cooking versatility, quick preheating times, and a lightning-fast cooking experience. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Multi-use, and cooks fast and efficiently. I can't begin to say how much I love this machine. I use the air fryer the most, and I'm able to cook things without a microwave on little to no time. I would recommend cutting all cooking time for the air fryer in half. I just made bacon in the air fryer, and it was done in 5 minutes, and an easy cleanup. Thank you for making life a little easier for this working mom of 2 babies and a deployed husband. Some cooking time suggesting on air fry. Bacon, 5 minutes. Chicken nuggets, 4 minutes. French fries, 5 minutes. Tater tots, 7 minutes. Says Rena. 5 stars. Works well, and using it often. I have had this oven for more than a month, and it performs very well in all functions. Air frying is easy, and it cuts the cooking time almost in half for pork chops, burgers, steaks, and fish fillets. After you have conquered the learning curve, your results will be more than satisfactory. I like that the oven has a light, so you can watch your meal cook and know when it is time to flip your meats or fries. The oven shut-off when opening the door is also a handy safety feature. The only con is that the basket and tray are not dishwasher safe. Per the manual, I spray Pam on the basket and cover the tray with aluminum foil to minimize cleanup time. I will use this oven often, and I highly recommend. Says Bill Hayes. 5 stars. Highly recommend the wine and the fryer. Game changer. Just had my first air-fried meal, and it was unbelievably crispy and very quickly cooked. I'm through a bottle of wine right now, but I can assure you, the crispiness was in fact the jam. Everyone here says it is. It is smaller than the dimensions listed, which is A+. Highly recommend the wine and the fryer. Says Chris Wilson. 5 stars. Great toaster and air fryer functions. I had an old toaster oven that needed replacing, and got this because of the additional air fryer function, and I love it. The toast function turns out the best bagels I've had, and I've had so much fun making my own tortilla chips with the air fryer function. I'm still playing around with different things to use it with, but so far everything has come out great. The only thing I don't like about this is that there is no way to stop or reset the timer, other than to open the door, which does stop the heating elements, and let it run itself out. Says Becky. 3 stars. Great oven, but I have used this oven for a while. As stated by others, it runs hotter than expected, but this can be overcome by using a lower temperature and keeping an eye on what you are cooking. The food comes out great and replaces several appliances. Less clutter on my counter. Love the air fryer feature. The reason I gave this product 3 stars is the pans that come with this product, especially the baking pan. It is impossible to clean. Nothing works. I finally gave up and keep the pan covered with foil. The air fry basket is also showing wear and hard to clean. If these pans had been better quality, I would have given this oven 5 stars. Says Claudia H. 1 star. Loved this toaster oven until it died after 19 months. I purchased this item and absolutely loved it. Used it every day. It toasts all my food perfectly, can make fried items taste like they are fried, but healthy. After 19 months, it started acting funny, the door would open, and the safety switch quit working, then the heating element eventually went out of it. I contacted Cuisinart, and without a serial number, they will not help me with the 3-year warranty. I called twice, and they referred me to email. I tried that, and they just ignore me. So, I'm out the money of this toaster oven, and I ended up getting a cheaper one used, and it works just as good. Says Christine Pawson. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.